Hi guys, welcome to another amazing 3D painting tutorial. In this video, I try to teach you the 3D painting of a watermelon slice in detail. Follow us until the end and write in the comments what you want me to teach you in the next videos. For this painting, we need titanium white, ivory black, cadmium red, cobalt blue, and cadmium yellow pale. Green color is obtained from the combination of yellow and blue. By adding more yellow and white, a lighter green is created, and by adding more blue and black, we have a darker green. I use different sizes of this flat brush in different parts. I paint the skin of the watermelon with dark green and the inner layers with light green. Zero series brushes are suitable for adding details. Fade the added details with a clean brush. Mark the lines of the watermelon skin with white and dark green. Pay attention to the direction of my hand and the movement of the brush throughout the video. Let's go to the delicious part of watermelon. For this part, we need the combination of red, yellow, and white. To show the thinness of the upper edge, I add a little white to the red. As you see, I use different shades of red because each part has a different color. Tap the brush on the cardboard to create the watermelon texture. Use dark colors to show deep areas, such as place of seeds. Now, I paint the whole watermelon and prepare it for final color. In the bright parts, I add red color with irregular brush movement to create texture. And I do the same thing with white color. Carefully determine the texture and lines of the watermelon. Now it's time to add the seeds. Brown color is obtained from the combination of red, yellow, and black. By adding more black, the brown becomes darker. Before painting the seeds with dark brown, we hold the places of them with light brown. Last time I add details, lines, and final texture. We have reached to the most important part of 3D painting, which is shadow. It is shadow that gives dimension to the objects. To make the painting more natural, I add some seeds to the below. And at the end I carefully cut the upper part of the cardboard around the watermelon slice. Please support my channel by like, comment and subscribe.